everyone, welcome to Grow Leafy with Alethea. Say hi, Coconut. Coconut, you're not gonna say hi to anybody? All right, so let me just be real quick with this because I know why I had to pull up my squash plants. I got a few fruits, but there was an issue once I pulled up the root and really looked at the bottom of the stem to see what the problem was. So this is what I'm going to show you, what I found, which probably explains the problem, why my leaves were turning yellow. So let me show you this. Here are all the leaves that I pulled up, okay? All of them, and I'm not finished yet. So I know that I need to take a close look at probably all of the bottom of the stems where the root is. It's all pulled up, so you can see it's starting to look a little bit empty in here, but that's okay because I'm gonna get ready to plant some things for the fall. But this is what I want to show you here. So I'm gonna go down to the ground here, and I'm holding my camera, so pardon if it seems a little shaky. Something that I found in there, you can see it. You see that thing with the point? That is a vine borer. I've got vine borers, y'all. Yes, I do. Grow Leafy has vine borers. You see it? Okay, so here's a better view. I've got a vine borer. That's been sitting in my squash plant. I don't know for how long. I've tried to keep the stem, the bottom area, very protected. So this has been the problem. This is why my plant has been struggling and struggling and struggling, is because of this thing. I'm gonna touch it. Oh, wow. Look at that. Vine borer. Let's see if I'm able to grab this thing. Do you see that? This, oh, it's just sticking. That's a vine borer. Whew, gross, I feel that crawling on my fingers. So this is the problem that I've been having. I'm just gonna put it right back there and then discard it. Coconut, what did we learn? We learned that when in doubt, go to the root of the problem. Sometimes you just gotta dig a little deeper and go all the way down to the root of the problem. Isn't that right? Okay, so I know everybody probably deals with this and deals with vine borers. You will have problems in your garden. There will not be a perfect garden. But you learn how to persevere, push through, and keep going and figure out another best solution for the next time. This is not going to stop me. I'm going to continue planting, getting ready for the fall garden. So I hope this short little video was helpful, and Coconut and I will see you later next time. Take care and remember to grow leafy.